Hello, friends. Today's story is An Elephant and Piggie Book. The title is Let's Go for a Drive by Mo Willems. Hi, Elephant. Hi, Piggie. Let's get started, friends. Let's go for a drive. Beep, beep. Let's go for a drive. Piggie! I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. That sounds fun. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Wait, if we are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? First, we need a map. I have a map. Get that map! You cannot go for a drive without a map. I have a map. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive, drive. Map, map, mappy, map, map, mappy, map, map. Wait, it might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get those sunglasses. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have sunglasses. Drivey, drive, 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 drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunglasses. Sunny sunglasses. Wait, it might rain while we drive. We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Get those umbrellas. Make a plan and stick to it is what I say. I have umbrellas. Drivey, drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Umbrellas, 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 umbrellas. Wait, we have so much stuff to pack. We need bags. I have bags. Get those bags. You cannot go wrong with a good plan. Oop, oop, I have bags. Drivey, drive, 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 drivey, drive, drive, drive. Bags, bags, baggy bag, bags. Wait, there will be a lot of driving on our drive. We need a car. I said we need a car. Do you have a car, Piggie? No. I am a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive, except a car. Our plans are ruined. What are we going to do now? We could play pirate. Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? The end. What a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful story. Hey guys, and if you like that story, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy reading, friends.